Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix OpenGL error 65543 in Minecraft TLauncher, and this will be for 1.18, 1.17, even it will be working for 1.19. Now, the first thing that you have to do is you need to update your graphic driver. On your Windows 10 or Windows 11, make a right click on the Windows icon and then choose Device Manager. Once the device manager comes up, look for display adapters and make a double click on it. And now here it will show you your graphic driver, whichever you are using. It can be Intel, Nvidia, AMD, whichever you have on your PC. Simply make a right click on it and choose update driver. Then choose search automatically for drivers. Now, if you already have the updated one, you will get the same message here. The best driver for your device are already installed. But if not, then it will instruct you to update the driver. Simply follow the steps and update your driver, the graphic driver. Now once you are done, if it asks you to restart, simply go with the restart, or else avoid restarting because we have to complete the other steps. Now simply click on close everything, and now I will be sharing a link in the description. You simply need to copy the link, paste into your browser, and you will come to this website. And here you have to simply click on download Java for Windows, and it will automatically detect. If you are using Windows 11, it will automatically detect it, or if you are using Mac, it can also come on Mac. Now once downloaded, simply click on the setup file which has been downloaded, then click on yes. Then if you want to change the destination folder, you can change it if you want to. I will just skip it, or simply I will confirm it where I have to do, and it's on C program file Java. That is fine for me. I hit on next. Now simply wait until the Java installation is complete, because in the next step we have to make some changes from the TLauncher. Okay, so you can see you have successfully installed Java. Simply close it, and now let's open TLauncher again. So it might load libraries for the client, so simply take your time. Do not be in a hurry, because if you skip anything, it may create problem in the future. Okay, so TLauncher is coming up now. Now if you get any message from Windows security or even from any third-party antivirus, then you need to allow access. Simply choose this option, and now here where it says latest release, make sure that this option has been selected to 1.19. okay, the latest release, you have to choose this option. And now on the right hand side you will see the setting gear icon. Just click on it and choose settings. Now here in the selection Java, click on change, and now we have to change the path because we just downloaded Java. Click on browse, and it will directly take you to the download installation folder. And if you're not sure, then you have to go to this PC, then on local disk C, then on program files, and then on Java. Here you will get it. Just simply select the JDK 18.0.2 and then click on open, and then click on save. Now simply close it, then click on save again. And now simply restart your PC, and after that check back again. I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. This is the best solution to work for almost all the people, and hopefully this will work for you as well. And if yes, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.